Hey everyone, Mike here.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back.
We missed you so much. We were on vacation, but guess what?
We're back, and we have amazing news.
From now on, we're uploading every single day.
Every day, new podcasts for you.
So make sure you subscribe, because today we're talking about something super important.
Oh yes, something you use every single day.
The days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of them.
And by the end of this podcast, you'll know all 7 days perfectly.
You'll never forget them again.
Plus, we have some fun stories about each day.
So stay with us. This is going to be good.
Okay, Sarah, let's start with the first day. What's the first day of the week?
Well, that's interesting. Some people say Monday is the first day.
Right. In many countries, Monday starts the week.
But in some places, Sunday is the first day.
In the United States, for example, Sunday is often the first day on calendars.
So confusing, right?
A little bit. But let's talk about Monday first.
Monday, the day everyone loves to hate.
That's so true. Why do people hate Monday?
Because it's the first day after the weekend.
Exactly. Saturday and Sunday are fun, relaxing days.
You sleep late, you watch movies, you relax.
And then Monday comes.
And you have to wake up early again.
You have to go to work or school.
So Monday feels hard.
Do you like Mondays, Sarah?
Honestly, not really.
Me neither. But I have a trick.
Oh, what trick?
I drink good coffee on Monday morning.
That's a good trick.
It makes Monday a little better.
I do something similar. I listen to my favorite music on Monday.
Nice. So Monday isn't so bad with coffee and music.
Exactly. Now, what comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, the second day of the week.
Tuesday is interesting because, well, nothing special happens on Tuesday.
That's so true.
Monday is hard, Wednesday's the middle, but Tuesday is just there.
It's like the forgotten day.
Exactly. But you know what? I actually like Tuesday.
Really? Why?
Because it's quiet, no pressure.
Oh, I see what you mean. Monday is stressful, but Tuesday is calm.
Yes, you already started the week on Monday, so Tuesday feels easier.
That makes sense.
Plus, Tuesday sounds nice. Tuesday. Say it with me.
Tuesday.
Beautiful word.
It is, and it's easy to remember because it sounds like Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday. That's clever.
Not really the same, but it helps you remember.
I like that. Tuesday, Tuesday.
Okay, what's next after Tuesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Now, this is a tricky word.
Very tricky because we write Wednesday.
But we say Wednesday.
Exactly. We don't say Wednesday, we say Wednesday.
English is crazy sometimes.
It really is. But Wednesday is special for another reason.
What reason?
It's the middle of the week.
Oh yes, some people call it hump day.
Hump day, like going over a hill.
Exactly. Imagine the week is a big hill.
Monday and Tuesday, you're climbing up.
Wednesday, you're at the top.
And Thursday and Friday, you're going down.
Towards the weekend.
Exactly.
I love that. Hump day.
So when you reach Wednesday, you're halfway done with the week.
That's a good feeling.
It is. What do you usually do on Wednesdays, Sarah?
Nothing special really. Work, same as other days.
Me too. But I always feel happy on Wednesday.
Because the weekend is getting closer.
Exactly.
Okay, after Wednesday comes
Thursday.
Thursday. Now this is my favorite day.
Really? Why Thursday?
Because Friday is the next day.
So Thursday is like almost Friday.
Exactly. On Thursday evening, I start feeling excited.
Because you know tomorrow is Friday.
Yes, and Friday is the last work day.
That's smart. Thursday is like the preview of the weekend.
Exactly. I call it pre-Friday.
Pre-Friday. I like that.
Some people even go out on Thursday night.
Oh yes, in some countries, Thursday night is party night.
Because Friday is the next day, so you can sleep a little late.
Right. You don't have to wake up super early on Friday.
Well, you do have to work on Friday.
But Friday is easier. Everyone is happy on Friday.
That's true.
Speaking of Friday, let's talk about Friday.
Yes, Friday, the best day.
The favorite day for most people.
Why do people love Friday so much?
Because after Friday comes Saturday and Sunday.
The weekend.
2 days of freedom.
No work, no school.
just relaxing, having fun.
I love Fridays. Even at work, everyone is happy on Friday.
Yes, people smile more on Friday.
They talk more, they laugh more.
There's even a phrase in English, Friday feeling.
Friday feeling, that happy feeling you get on Friday.
Exactly. When you wake up on Friday morning, you think, yes, today is Friday.
And Friday evening is the best.
Why?
Because you finish work and you have 2 whole days ahead.
No alarm clock tomorrow.
No meetings, no deadlines.
Just relaxation.
What do you usually do on Friday evening, Mike?
I usually watch a movie or meet friends.
Nice. I do the same.
Friday is the perfect day for that.
It really is. Okay, now let's talk about the weekend.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday.
The 2 most loved days.
Let's start with Saturday.
Saturday, day number 6.
Saturday is pure freedom.
You can wake up late.
You can stay in bed if you want.
No work, no rush.
What do people do on Saturday?
Many things. Some people clean their house.
Oh yes, Saturday is cleaning day for many people.
They clean, do laundry, organize things.
Some people go out on Saturday.
The supermarket is full on Saturday.
That's true. Everyone is buying food for the week.
Some people go out to the park, to the beach, to the mountains.
Saturday is also party day.
Oh yes, Saturday night is party night.
People go to restaurants, bars, clubs.
They meet friends, dance, have fun.
Because Sunday is the next day, so they can sleep late.
Exactly. No work tomorrow.
I love Saturday nights.
Me too, but I also love lazy Saturdays.
Lazy Saturdays.
Yes, when you stay home, wear comfortable clothes, watch TV.
Oh, just relaxing all day.
Exactly. Those are the best Saturdays.
I agree. Sometimes you just need a lazy day.
And that's okay.
Of course. Okay, now the last day.
Sunday,
Day number 7.
the last day of the week.
Or the first day, depending on where you live.
Right, we talked about that earlier.
Sunday is interesting because it has 2 feelings.
2 feelings? What do you mean?
Well, Sunday morning feels great.
Yes, you wake up, you relax, you have breakfast slowly.
You read a book, you watch TV, you do nothing.
But Sunday evening feels different.
Exactly. Sunday evening feels a bit sad.
Because tomorrow is Monday.
Back to work, back to school.
The weekend is ending.
There's even a name for this feeling.
Really? What name?
It's called Sunday blues.
Sunday blues, like feeling blue, feeling sad.
Exactly. On Sunday evening, some people feel the Sunday blues.
I definitely feel that sometimes.
Me too. But you know what helps?
What?
I planned something fun for Sunday.
Oh, like what?
Like having a nice dinner.
Or watching a good movie.
Or calling a friend.
That's a good idea. Make Sunday special.
Exactly. Don't waste Sunday worrying about Monday.
Enjoy Sunday. It's still the weekend.
Right. Okay, Sarah, let's do a quick recap.
Yes, let's review all 7 days.
Ready? Day 1, Monday.
The hard day, back to work.
Day 2, Tuesday.
The quiet day, the forgotten day.
Day 3, Wednesday.
Hump day, middle of the week.
Day 4, Thursday.
Pre-Friday, almost the weekend.
Day 5, Friday.
The best day, Friday feeling.
Day 6, Saturday.
Freedom, party or relax.
Day 7, Sunday.
Lazy day, but watch out for Sunday blues.
Perfect. Now everyone knows all 7 days.
But wait, let's make it even easier to remember.
Good idea. Let's say them all together.
Ready? Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday.
Sunday,
Beautiful. Say it with us at home.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Again.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now you know them all.
But let's make it more fun. Let's talk about what people say about each day.
Oh, yes. There are many common phrases.
For Monday, people say, I hate Mondays.
Or Monday blues, similar to Sunday blues.
Exactly. Monday morning also means something difficult or sad.
For example, this is a real Monday morning.
Meaning, this is hard, this is not fun.
What about Tuesday?
For Tuesday, honestly, people don't say much.
Because Tuesday is boring.
Poor Tuesday.
But that's okay. Not every day needs to be special.
True. What about Wednesday?
We already mentioned hump day.
Yes, happy hump day, people say.
It means we're halfway there.
Keep going. The weekend is coming.
What about Thursday?
Some people say thirsty Thursday.
Thirsty Thursday, that's funny.
It's a joke. Thirsty sounds like Thursday.
And thirsty means you want to drink.
So thirsty Thursday is when people go out for drinks.
On Thursday evening.
Before Friday.
That's clever.
Now Friday has many phrases.
Oh yes, thank God it's Friday.
TGIF, that's the abbreviation.
People say TGIF on Friday.
It means I'm so happy it's Friday.
Friday feeling is another one.
Yes, that excited feeling on Friday.
What about Saturday?
Saturday Night Fever.
That's from an old movie.
Yes, but people still say it.
It means excitement for Saturday night.
Party time.
And Sunday?
Sunday Fun Day.
Sunday fun day. That's cute.
It means make Sunday fun.
Don't be sad. Enjoy Sunday.
Exactly.
Okay, Mike, I have a question for our listeners.
What question?
What's your favorite day of the week?
Oh, good question.
Write in the comments. We want to know.
Is it Friday? Saturday? Wednesday?
Or maybe you love Monday.
Hey, some people do love Monday.
Really?
Yes, some people love starting fresh.
New week, new opportunities.
Exactly.
That's a good attitude.
It is. Okay, let's talk about something else.
What?
How to use these days in sentences.
Oh yes, that's important.
For example, see you on Monday.
We use on before the day.
On Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday.
I have a meeting on Thursday.
Let's meet on Friday.
The party is on Saturday.
Always on before the day.
What about this and next?
Good question.
This Monday means the Monday that's coming soon.
And next Monday means the Monday after that.
For example, today is Tuesday.
This Friday means 3 days from now.
And next Friday means 10 days from now.
Exactly. It's the Friday of next week.
That can be confusing.
It can, but with practice, it gets easier.
What about last?
Last Monday means the Monday that already passed.
The Monday in the past.
For example, I saw him last Tuesday.
Meaning on the Tuesday that already happened.
Yes, not the Tuesday that's coming.
Got it.
Let's practice a bit more.
Okay.
I work from Monday to Friday.
That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
5 days of work.
The shop is closed on Sundays.
Meaning every Sunday the shop is closed.
We have class on Wednesdays and Fridays.
Meaning every Wednesday and every Friday.
When we talk about regular events, we use plural.
Exactly. On Mondays, on Tuesdays.
But for one specific day, we use singular.
On Monday, on Tuesday.
This is useful.
Very useful.
Okay, here's a fun game.
I love games.
Let's describe each day with one word.
Only one word.
Only one. Ready?
Ready.
Monday.
Difficult.
Ha, good one. Tuesday.
Boring.
Poor Tuesday. Wednesday.
Middle.
Perfect. Thursday.
Hopeful.
Hopeful because Friday is coming.
Exactly. Friday.
Happy.
Of course. Saturday.
Free.
Yes, freedom. And Sunday.
Lazy.
Lazy Sunday. I love it.
Me too.
Okay, now let's think about different people.
Different people?
Yes, different people have different favorite days.
Oh, that's true.
For students, what's the best day?
Probably Friday or Saturday.
Because no school.
Right. And the worst day?
Monday, back to school.
What about for teachers?
Same, Friday is the best.
They want the weekend too.
Everyone wants the weekend.
What about for people who work in restaurants?
Oh, that's different.
Yes, because restaurants are busy on weekends.
So Saturday and Sunday are work days
They might prefer Monday or Tuesday.
because the restaurant is quieter.
Exactly.
What about for retired people?
Retired means they don't work anymore.
Right, they're older, they finished their career.
For them, every day is Saturday.
That's true.
No work, no schedule.
Lucky them.
But also, maybe they miss the routine.
That's possible.
Some people like having a routine.
Monday to Friday work, Saturday and Sunday rest.
It gives structure to life.
That's true.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about day and night.
Day and night?
Yes, we can add morning, afternoon, evening, night to the days.
Oh, good point.
Monday morning,
The start of Monday.
Friday evening,
The end of Friday, party time.
Saturday night,
The best time to go out.
Sunday afternoon.
Relaxing time.
We can be very specific.
Yes. See you Tuesday morning.
I have a class Thursday evening.
The movie is on Saturday night.
Very useful.
Let's also talk about weekend and weekdays.
Yes, important words.
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
2 days,
Weekdays are Monday to Friday.
5 days,
I work on weekdays.
meaning Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
I relax on the weekend.
meaning Saturday and Sunday.
Simple.
Very simple.
You know what? Let's talk about how different cultures see days.
Oh, that's interesting.
In English, most day names come from old gods.
Really?
Yes, very old, from before Christianity.
Tell me more.
Well, Monday comes from Moon Day.
The day of the moon.
Exactly. Tuesday comes from a war god named Tiu.
Tuesday.
Wednesday comes from Woden, another god.
Woden's day.
Thursday comes from Thor.
Thor, like the movie.
Yes, Thor's day.
That's cool.
Friday comes from Frigg, a goddess.
Frigg's day.
Saturday comes from Saturn, a Roman god.
Saturn's day.
And Sunday comes from Sunday.
The day of the sun.
Exactly.
Wow, I never knew that.
English has a lot of history,
It really does.
but you don't need to remember all that.
No, just remember the 7 days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect.
Okay, Sarah, we've talked a lot.
We have. This was fun.
Let's finish with some encouragement.
Yes, for everyone listening.
Learning English is not easy.
But you're doing great.
You listened to this whole podcast.
That's amazing.
Now you know all 7 days of the week.
You can use them in conversation.
Practice every day.
Say the days out loud.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Use them in sentences.
See you on Monday. I love Friday.
Sunday is my favorite day.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
And remember, we're here to help.
We're uploading every day now.
Every single day.
So subscribe.
Click that subscribe button
Turn on notifications.
so you don't miss any podcasts.
And if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up.
Click like
It really helps us.
and write in the comments.
Tell us your favorite day of the week.
We read all the comments.
We love hearing from you.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Wait, one more thing.
What?
Let's say goodbye in a fun way.
Okay, how?
Let's say goodbye for each day. Oh, I like that.
Have a great Monday.
Have a terrific Tuesday.
Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Have a thrilling Thursday.
Have a fantastic Friday.
Have a super Saturday.
Have a splendid Sunday.
And have a great week.
Every week.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Your English is getting better every day.
We believe in you.
See you tomorrow.
Same time.
New topic.
Don't miss it.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
And remember,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
you got this.
See you very soon.